Hi everybody, it's Teresa from Charlotte Sewing Studio, and we'd like to welcome you to our fall class preview. We've got some great classes lined up for you, so please sit back, relax, and enjoy the presentation.
Good morning, this is Susie McIntyre, your certified instructor with QuiltWorks, and today I'm here to show you two projects for fall. The first one I'm going to show you is Scandinavian Snowflake. This one has 7 different fabrics that make up the majority of the placemat, and then we have a snowflake that is paper pieced in, and we have applique at the top using stitch and peel, which comes with a kit. The kit has 4 placemats. I did this one for Halloween and a fun little back border, and this one is a Christmas snowflake. It's just beautiful, and you can top stitch it in metallics to give it some more bling. So sign up for this class and let's have some fun with this placemat. The second project I'm proposing is Winter Wonderland Table Runner. This table runner has your traditional Judy paper pieced stars with floating points, and it's in blues with a pretty border. You can do borders different ways. This also is 20 by 72 inches long, but if that's too big for your table, you could make it a square table topper. You could make it two two-star table runners, or you can make some pillows out of it, or a combination of whatever. So it's an extremely flexible pattern, and this one I top stitched, quilted in a metallic thread. So why not join me and let's take this class and have fun. Now, the one thing I want you to know is if neither of these classes appeal to you, you're always welcome to come to my class and bring a project that you are working on, or you want to finish, or you need help with. I'm very flexible, and I hope to see you this fall. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Jill. I'm an employee here at Charlotte Sewing Studio, and I'm offering some classes this year. Also, I'm bringing back the collage class, which this is the newest one. Well, it was done last year. It's our Halloween one. So come in and do some of these collages. They're really fun. Everybody has a great time doing it. It's an all-day class, and I have them 3 times this quarter. So come in and join us for this class. It's really fun. The next class I'm offering is along with the series with the Along the Shore series. This one's called Maritime's Most Wanted Octopus. And here you're going to pick out your fabric that you want to do. And we're going to learn how to place all this on and sew it all together. And it's really fun. And if you decided you don't want to do the octopus, there are a lot of Along the Shores designs that I have done during the last couple of years that you can pick any one of those, and that includes this one, which is a Sea of Love pack, which comes in a kit. So come join me for this class. It's a 1 class, 2 sessions. So the octopus or any one of the other Along the Shores, you do it along with the Sea of Love. Okay, so the next one is an Amy Bradley wall hanging, and who doesn't love Amy Bradley? She has such fun quilts, wall hangings. And they're fun. So this one's called Quilt Town. It has the different little buildings that you use your scrap fabrics on. They are all representing tools of the trade. You add some really fun buttons to it, and it goes together really fun. Great. The next one's a little bit of a challenge for me anyway. It's an applique quilt. It's fun. Once you get going, it's not as hard as it looks. It's really pretty kind of easy. Once you get going, it has scallop edges, so you learn to do the scallop edges. It has bias binding, so we'll learn how to cut that bias binding. And then we have applique. And you can choose to quilt the middle as I have, or you can leave it open, whatever you want to do. This is also a 1 class, 2 sessions class. Okay, so I hope you come join me in doing these fun classes, and we'll see you soon. Just call and sign up for all classes. Okay, you all have a good day. Bye-bye.
Hi everybody, I'm Sue from Charlotte Sewing Studio, and today I'd like to share what I'll be teaching the next quarter. So the first thing is the Pack It Up pouch, and it's got a braided top on it. A lot of fun to do. You can, after you learn how to do this, you could put it on down a sweatshirt, you could put it on a notebook, you put it on a cuff of a pillowcase, just anything once you learn how to do it. It's so much fun. The next one is the kaleidoscope point of view, and I did this, you fussy cut around the Santa Clauses, but you could also do it in Halloween. I did start one, but I didn't get very far. But you could do it for any holiday. And then they're prairie points. It does have a special ruler that you need, but you can order that through Charlotte Sewing Studio. The next one is the Daphne bag, and it has a lot of really pretty hardware. It also has a inside zipper pocket, a slip pocket, has imitation piping here. This was just a lot of fun, and I think it's a great size bag. The next one is the Tula tote. This one is inspired by my sister. She wanted a huge tote. I think I found the biggest one. It comes with inside zipper pocket, other pockets, slip pockets here, a lot of D-rings where you can hang things. A lot of steps to it, but it was so much fun to make. The next one is my Dazzling Designer bags. I just grabbed a few of them over here. You can make any of these bags that I've taught previously in this. If you've missed a class and you want to make one of these bags, you can sign up for it. The embroidered wristlet, anything you'd like to make. And then the next one, unfortunately, with all the thunderstorms over the weekend, I didn't get this one quite finished, but it is the Charm Pack jacket, and it's made from a sweatshirt. This has been so much fun to put together and be real creative with. So you just get a charm pack, put it all, cut it up, put it together, and you have a jacket. So I hope you see you in class, and have a great day.
Hi, so this fall and Christmas time, I've got some great TV crafts going. First off, in early October, we'll be doing the folded fabric pumpkin, and kits will be available. It looks hard, not so. Anybody can do it. We'll follow that up with my pine cone. Now, we did the pine cone last year with the folded fabric. This year, it would be great to see everybody use the cork fabric, because it makes the pine cone look so much more real. Yet another easy project that you can sit and watch TV while you're doing. Then the new ornament of the year that I tried was my Prairie Point ornament. It's a folded fabric star, and super easy, super fast. And then we'll finish up the season with our 4-color ornament in case you haven't done it, or you want to join us just to do some more to give away or put on your own tree. So they're all easy. Kits will be available for all of them. I hope to see you. Thanks.
Hi again, this is Jill. And now I'm going to do Renita's classes, and you know she's an educator here at Charlotte Sewing Studio, and she has a Create with Renita every Thursday, every week. So if you just need to do a sit and sew, come join her on Thursdays for her sit and sews. Her first class is going to be on this beautiful quilt that is called Autumn Love Quilt. It is a machine applique, so it's all in the hoop, in the hoop applique, and then you piece it all together. And this is the lap size. It comes in 2 sizes, a bigger size than this, and then the lap size. Beautiful wall hanging. It's also great size for a lap quilt. So she'll be doing this, and this is a 3-session class. She does have kits available, so come and check all this out for you. Next class is going to be her bed runner, the reversible bed runner. And she's going to show you how to make pillowcases to go with this bed runner. It's called So Charm Bed Runner, and it has reversible sides. So either one, you can put it on this side for one day and then turn around and put it on the next side on this side for another day. And of course, like I said, it has matching pillowcases that you can make to go along with that. The third class is going to be her rope bowls, or trivias. She's going to show you how to put these together and how to embroider a design on top. These are really fun, and she's had this class before and it's been very successful. Her next class is going to be the Snow Fall Table Runner, and that's this class right here. She did it in flowers. I'm sure you can do it in snowflakes. You have it for any season of the year. So she really does a good job in doing that too. And she has a class with these cute little ladybugs. These are all pieced together, and this is called Ladybug Lane Table Runner. And it's really quick to come together. And then her last class is going to be a flag. So she made hers the welcome flag for winter, and it's called Winter Garden Flags, and she's going to have that in December 1st. So if you're down here for the winter, we're going to bring a little winter to you. Okay, come join her in her classes. Again, she has a set and sew every Thursday. And I think that's it on Seeing Me today. You guys have a great day. Bye.
Hello, welcome back. My name is Summer. I'm an educator here at Charlotte Sewing Studio. We have quite a few classes coming up. We are also going to be starting the embroidery club, which will be every month. We'll do a fun, easy, simple embroidery class. And the first one we're going to start with is the Jumbo Spellbound Saying. Now this can be done on a flag, a banner. It would look great on your front door for Halloween. This will be in September, on September 26th. In October, we have a great one. It is going to be the Pie Please Hot Pads. This would be a great gift for Christmas. And there's 3 different kinds, and we'll be doing that. It's all in the hoop embroidery. For our November class, we will be doing the evergreen trees. Easy, simple, cute little decoration for your either table or next to your actual tree. I also have 2 other classes. One will be for the OESD freestanding lace for the flourishing lace earrings. You get 10 in one set. That will be on November 21st. And then I have another class which will be at the end of October and the beginning of November. And they are actual tiled stockings. You get to choose from 4. These 2 are from Gelsinger, and the other 2 I have are from Cynthia Frenetti, all OESD, and you get to choose any style, any one you want. Those classes will be October 24th and on November 7th. And I would love to see you. Please call, stop by, sign up, and we'll see you then. Thanks.
Hi everybody, it's Jill again. I am filling in for Faith. She's a new educator here at Charlotte Sewing Studio, and she's going to be teaching 3 classes that you might be interested in. The first one is going to be this beautiful quilt right here, and it is a quilt for beginners. So in this class, you're going to learn how to cut with a rotary cutter. You're going to learn how to cut with the rotary cutter. You're going to learn how to piece, use the 1/4 inch seam allowance, and you're going to do binding and things like this. She'll teach you from beginning to the end on how to make this quilt. The second class that she's going to be doing is a computer class. And excuse me while I read this, but what she's going to be teaching you on the computer class is the skills of the computer on how to download embroidery designs, how to transfer them to the computer, to the USB sticks, and just give you the hands-on. You know, you bring your computer and she's going to go do the downloads and all that stuff like that she's going to teach you, and it's very good when you're learning how to embroider. The last class that she's going to teach is this hexagon pillow. Now on this class, the price of the class includes the kit. She's going to have all these hexagons cut out for you, but she's going to show you how to sew these all together. She's also going to introduce you to the memento, which is the tool that she used to cut these hexagons. So, and then you get this cute little box that goes with your kit too that she made with the memento. So again, come join Faith in her classes, and you're going to have some really beautiful projects, and you'll learn a lot in the computer class. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Good morning, I'm Maryanne, and I am an employee at Charlotte Sewing Studio, and I am offering 3 unique classes this session. The first one is coming up on Monday, August 27th from 10 to 2, and it is a reflections runner and placemats. The fun part about this is that you use creative grids, folded corner clipper tool, and what's left over from your 10-inch squares becomes your placemats. You can choose any fabrics you like. A layer cake works wonderfully. Again, that's offered on Monday, October 27th from 10 to 2. The next class I'm offering is Happy Holidays Table Topper. This is a fun project to do. It uses a 60-degree creative grids or any other brand of triangle ruler, and it can be constructed in 3 different sizes. This is the small size. There's a larger size, and there's an extra large size that can be used as a tree skirt. You can see this is the winter patterns, and this one is a fun one for Halloween. The third class I'm offering is a quick and easy quilt as you go Sophie tote by June Taylor. This is constructed with the front, the batting, and the lining all together. And if you look closely, you can see that there's a unique design to the handle using 2 different fabrics. This one is offered on Friday, December 10th from 10 to 2. And as always, I do a sit and sew on Saturdays from 10 to 2 where you work on your projects and you get guidance, and we have lots of fun. Hope to see you soon, and enjoy the rest of your day.
We hope you enjoyed the presentation today. If you saw any classes that interest you, please give us a call at 941-235-3555. You can also check the website www.charlottesewingstudio.com for more information. And for those of you that like to do charity sewing, please don't forget about our Huggable Quilts for Kids. So we meet the 4th Saturday of every month. Once again, thanks for joining us today, and we hope you have a great fall.